Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. A new feature called line item groups can now be found in your settings. LIGs are great if you have a common group of line items for a specific client or types of jobs you do on a regular basis. Having a standard set of line items with your unique settings can be imported whenever needed. To create an LIG, go to My Jobs, click on Line Item Groups. Notice you will have a BlinkBid library of LIGs. However, the BlinkBid library LIGs cannot be changed or manipulated. In order to customize LIGs, you must make a copy. To do so, click on the hamburger and then click Copy to My Saved LIGs. Once you have saved it, you can now customize your LIG for your unique needs. Here you can customize the name of your line item group and customize each individual line item. Now, when you're in a job, instead of having to customize the job each and every time, you can now import your already made LIG. When you import the existing LIG, the line item automatically files into its rightful category. If the category does not exist, the category will be created. Notice once you bring in your LIG, everything you customized is now there. You can also create an LIG within the job itself. Click on the hamburger and click Create LIG. From there, you can import the line items you want to use. Notice the line items that I include already have the information that I created in the other LIGs.